how to buy Telegram Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Telegram Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in my case, I've already bought Premium, but if you would still like to buy the Telegram Premium, open up the Telegram application here. Then once done, just make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left. Now you can see I already have Premium, so you can actually navigate to the settings option here, and once you navigate to settings, you can simply scroll down through many of the other options that could be available. Now here you can set Telegram Premium. If you haven't already subscribed, when you scroll down you'll find the subscribe option. In my case, I'm seeing the manage subscription button, and this way you should be able to buy Telegram Premium after you confirm your payment details as well. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.